To do a software update on your DOE iPad, go to the home screen and find your settings. It is the gray gear icon that looks like that. Click on settings, and right in the general category that it should already go on, at the very top it says about, and then it says software update. Click on software update and it will say checking for update. This might take a few seconds. Wait for it to check. And then if you do need to have a software update, this right here where it says download and install will come up. Before you do that, we want to make sure that the iPad is on automatic updates. So you're going to click on the last one right here and make sure those are both on green. Even if it's on automatic update, it might not automatically update. So you're going to click download and install, and then it will say update requested. On the top, you'll see it says estimating time remaining. A software update might take up to 2 hours to update, so make sure it is plugged in and you are able to give some time for the update. Once it estimates a time, it will automatically do the update right now, and then it will restart your iPad. After it restarts, open it like you normally would, and the update should be completed.